Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fishman soup. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh, firm fish fillets, like cod or snapper. Also, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget a good selection of fresh herbs and spices to build a truly flavorful base for your unique soup. Now, let's create that incredible broth. In a large pot, sauté your diced carrots, celery, and onions in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are tender. Next, add your fish bones and 8 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat. Let it cook slowly for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. With your broth ready, it's time to assemble the soup. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the bones and vegetables, and return the clear liquid to the pot. Add your diced potatoes and any other root vegetables you prefer, cooking them until they are tender. Finally, gently add your fish fillets to the simmering broth and poach them until they are just cooked through, about 5 to 7 minutes. To finish your delicious fishman soup, ladle it into bowls and garnish generously with fresh dill or parsley for a burst of color and aroma. Serve it immediately with some warm, crusty bread to soak up every last drop of that rich broth. It's truly a satisfying meal. For more great content and other deals, be sure to check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.